The kind of cases we help with, it's difficult to summarize because every story is different, every family is different. Most of the time, we assist people with issues that arise after someone passes away. And that can be dispute between beneficiaries, dispute between siblings quite commonly. People are often angry, emotions are heightened because they might be left something or not left something they expected to inherit. A lot of young people rely on inheritance. You know, times are tough, cost of living has increased, and people expect to inherit some money from their parents or grandparents, and that comes with consequences. Often when someone passes away, it opens the gate to truly say how you feel about some family members. So a lot of times your parents may think that you and your siblings get on really well, but in reality, when your parents are no longer here, you are free to say, actually, I don't really like my brother, or I don't really like my sister. And that again can result in a dispute. Inheritance Act claims are really, I wouldn't say common, but a major part of what we do. And that is essentially a claim for a financial provision from someone's estate when you've been left nothing or very little. And those cases are open to certain individuals, typically spouses, so your wife or your husband. Your children can make a claim, people who are financially dependent on you at the time you passed away. But yeah, if in doubt, just please get in touch. Give us a call. We can talk to you. We talk to all new inquiries free of charge. We just want to help. Other cases we help with, challenging the validity of a will. You often face situations where wills are made shortly before someone passes. Sometimes or often there's no issues with that, but sometimes unfortunately there are, and a vulnerable person is exploited. Capacity issues. A lot of people like to use the word fraud. It is a very serious allegations, but we do assist with some cases of that as well, unfortunately. We also help with contentious trusts, and that includes breach of trust. So when you have a trustee looking after some assets which have been put into a trust, whether that's a property, it is commonly property because land and property are usually the main assets that somebody has, and they are often placed in a trust for various reasons. And trustees can often make mistakes, and beneficiaries have a course of action against them. We advise on those sorts of claims. We also help with court of protection work, and that's when a vulnerable person has lost capacity and there might be disagreements between the loved ones about how they should be cared for, whether they should be in a care home or not, what should happen with their finances, how they should be taken care of, should the house be sold or not.